Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Sizzlers. I'm back with another dish today. I'm going to be cooking a simple South Indian chicken curry. So let's get cooking. To the ingredients, I have 1 kg chicken with bones, 2 large onions, 1 small garlic, 2 pieces of ginger, 1 cup coconut milk, some coriander leaf, salt, 1 lime, 2.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 8 cardamoms, 8 cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon. This is half a tablespoon of cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoons of mild chili powder, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. To the first step, I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. And I'm going to saute the onions. While the onion is cooking, I'm going to make a paste of all the other ingredients. I've added all the spices into the jar. I'm going to pour some water and then blend it in the blender to make a paste. I have made a paste of all the spices. I added some more water to make it into a thick consistency. The onion has been cooking for about 5 minutes. It's time to add the masala paste. Add some water to the jar and shake the jar well so that you can get all the masala paste out of the jar. Cook the masala and the onion till you get rid of the raw taste of the garlic and ginger. Saute the masala every 1 or 2 minutes so that the masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. The masala has now cooked well. It's time to add the chicken pieces. Mix the chicken and the masala well. Now add some water so that the masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now close the lid of the pan and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check that the masala is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. Close the lid again and cook for another 5 minutes. Add more water so that the masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Chicken has been cooking for 15 minutes. Now time to add some salt. Add salt as per your taste. Squeeze in half a lime into the curry. Now add the coconut milk. I also added more water to get more gravy. Now check the salt, and if the salt is less, you can add more salt, or if you feel you need the curry to be more tangy, you can add more lemon juice. The curry has been cooking for a total of 20 minutes now. Now time to add the coriander leaves. The chicken curry is now ready. Add the rest of the coriander leaves before serving. This curry can be served with rice or chapatis or dosas. Hope you guys will try out the South Indian chicken curry and comment below and let me know how the curry was. I'll be back with another dish very soon. Until then, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.